director of global sales operations, a Salesforce administrator for a company called Anatox. Our company provides solutions for animal feed manufacturers. I work with Salesforce, making sure our team is getting it and using it, all of that. I think originally Google was looking for a way to create basically forms from merge fields out of Salesforce. So I put it in a sandbox. Yeah, so far so good. I thank you for jumping all over it and being hands-on with an issue that I was having.